One of the biggest risks in pump installation is air in the system. In most pumps, air in the system leads to vibration, cavitation, and early failure. It's a common problem in rental setups, where installations aren't always perfect. This can also occur when a very powerful pump is used to handle only a small flow. AEON pumps are engineered to be more resilient in these situations, especially when air is frequently present in the float breaks. Of course, we always recommend proper installation, using floaters or hydrostatic sensors in places with variable flows. But the difference is our pumps can tolerate these conditions better than any competitor. They keep running reliably even when liquid levels fluctuate. And the biggest advantage, even in a full run dry conditions, our pumps keep going without causing damage. Air bubbles may be the silent killers of ordinary pumps, but AEON Pump is built to withstand real-world challenges, ensuring maximum uptime and durability.
I know the lights are on and